Is your WordPress website showing nothing but a completely blank white screen? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the WordPress white screen of death and get your website back online. Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. We'll start with the fixes that solve this problem most often. If one method doesn't work, use the timestamps to jump straight to any method. Method 1. Deactivate all plugins. One of the most common causes of the WordPress white screen of death is a plugin conflict. This usually happens after installing a new plugin, updating an existing one, or when a plugin is incompatible with your version of WordPress or PHP. If you can still access your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click Installed Plugins. Select all your plugins, choose Deactivate from the Bulk Actions dropdown, and click Apply. Now refresh your website. If your website loads normally again, you've confirmed that one of your plugins is causing the problem. Reactivate your plugins one at a time, refreshing your website after each activation. When the white screen returns, the last plugin you activated is the culprit. If you can't access your WordPress dashboard, you'll need to use an FTP client like FileZilla. Open FileZilla and connect to your website. If you're connecting your site to FileZilla for the first time, you can click the link in the description for a complete step-by-step guide. Once connected, open your website's root folder, usually public_HTML or your domain name. Navigate to WP-content and locate the plugins folder. Rename the folder to something like plugins_disabled. WordPress will automatically deactivate every plugin. Now refresh your website. If it's working again, rename the folder back to Plugins and reactivate each plugin one at a time from your WordPress dashboard until you identify the one causing the issue. Once identified, consider looking for alternative plugins, updating to the latest version, or contact the plugin developer for help. If your website is still showing a blank white screen, don't worry. Let's move on to the next most common solution. Before we continue, if you're looking to build a WordPress website without spending days setting everything up manually or having to resolve errors like this yourself, check out GigaPress AI. GigaPress AI is our AI website builder for WordPress and WooCommerce. It generates a complete professional website in minutes and includes fixing bugs just like this one in our plans. Simply describe your business, upload some photos, and GigaPress AI can generate a complete professional WordPress website with pages, content, navigation, and design automatically. Best of all, if you have an existing website, you can just enter your URL and it'll do a full redesign for you using your existing content. And unlike many website builders, GigaPress AI creates a real WordPress website, giving you full ownership, complete access to the WordPress dashboard, and total control over your site. Visit GigaPress.net and try GigaPress AI now. Method 2. Increase the PHP memory limit. Another common reason for the white screen of death is running out of PHP memory. As your website grows and uses more plugins, page builders, or WooCommerce features, WordPress may need more memory than your server currently allows. The recommended memory limit is at least 250 megabytes. There are several ways to increase it. The easiest method is by editing your wp-config.php file. Using FTP or your hosting file manager, locate the wp-config.php file in your website's root directory. Right-click and choose View/Edit. Just before the line that says, "That's all, stop editing," add the following line. Define WP memory limit 256 M. Save the file and upload it back to your server. You can also increase the memory limit through your php.ini file by setting memory limit equals 256 M. Or, if your server uses Apache, you can add this line to your .htaccess file. After making the change, reload your website. If the white screen is gone, you've likely resolved the problem. If not, let's continue. Method 3. Switch to a default WordPress theme. If plugins and memory aren't the issue, your active theme could be causing the white screen. This can happen after updating your theme, or if the theme is incompatible with your version of WordPress or PHP. If you can access your dashboard, go to Appearance and then Themes. Activate a default WordPress theme, such as 2025. If you don't have one installed, click the Add Theme button. In the search bar, type the name of a default theme, like 2025. Hover over the theme and click Install, then Activate. Now refresh your website. If everything loads correctly, Your original theme is likely causing the problem. If you can't access the dashboard, connect to your website using FTP. Open the WP-content folder, then Themes. Rename your active theme folder by adding something like _disabled to the end of its name. WordPress will automatically switch to the next available default theme. If your website starts working again, you'll know your theme was the cause. At this point, you might be wondering, what actually causes the white screen of death? The white screen of death usually happens when WordPress encounters a fatal PHP error. Instead of displaying the error on the screen, WordPress simply stops loading the page altogether, leaving you with nothing but a blank white screen. That's why our next method focuses on revealing the actual error that's causing the problem. Method 4. Enable WordPress Debug Mode. Debug Mode is one of the most powerful troubleshooting tools built into WordPress. Instead of hiding the fatal error, it records it so you can see exactly what's causing the white screen. Using FTP or your hosting file manager, open the wp-config.php file. Find this line, define wp-debug false. Replace it with define wp-debug true, define wp-debug log true, define wp-debug display false. Save the file and reload your website. WordPress will now create a file called debug.log inside the wp-content folder. Open that file. It will usually identify the exact plugin, theme, or PHP function responsible for the error. Once you fix the issue, remember to change wp-debug back to false. Fixing the technical issues in your WordPress site is really important, especially if your site plays a role in generating leads or closing clients. But if you want to seriously improve your back-end sales process, you'll want to check out today's sponsor, Sign & Pay. Sign & Pay combines contract signing and payment collection into one streamlined step. Instead of sending an agreement and then separately requesting payment, you can send a single document that allows your client to sign and pay instantly using their credit card. It integrates with your CRM and payment processor and gives your sales team the ability to negotiate and close deals in one call without needing approvals. If you want to shorten your sales cycle and get paid faster, check out Sign & Pay using the link in the description. Now let's continue. Method 5. Use WordPress Troubleshooting Mode. If you can still access your WordPress dashboard, another safe way to diagnose the issue is with the official Health Check and Troubleshooting plugin. Unlike disabling plugins for everyone, Troubleshooting Mode only affects your own session. Visitors to your website won't notice any changes. Install and activate the Health Check and Troubleshooting plugin. Go to Tools, then Site Health. Open the Troubleshooting tab and click Enable Troubleshooting Mode. WordPress will temporarily disable all plugins and switch to a default theme only for you. Now re-enable your plugins one by one until the white screen returns. This allows you to safely identify the problem without affecting your live website. Method 6. Check for server-side issues. If you've tried all the previous methods and your website is still showing a blank white screen, the problem may be coming from your server. Start by checking your PHP error logs through your hosting control panel. Look for fatal errors, parse errors, or out-of-memory messages. Next, make sure your hosting account is running a supported version of PHP. WordPress works best with newer supported releases. If your hosting provider recently upgraded PHP, an outdated plugin or theme could be causing compatibility issues. You should also consider replacing any corrupted WordPress core files. Download a fresh copy of WordPress from wordpress.org and upload everything except the wp-content folder and wp-config.php. This replaces the core files without affecting your website content. Finally, if your website regularly reaches your hosting plan's resource limits, such as memory, CPU, or execution time, you may need to upgrade your hosting plan. Your hosting provider can also help you identify server-side configuration issues that aren't visible from WordPress itself. And that's it! That's how you fix the WordPress white screen of death. In most cases, the problem is caused by a plugin conflict, insufficient PHP memory, or a faulty theme. If those methods don't solve the issue, enabling WordPress debug mode and checking your server configuration will usually point you to the exact cause. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit GigaPress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.